Oh, hell no. I know I'm not tripping. This motherfucker over here snoring on my kids. Wow. She got the snore of a grizzly bear. Oh my god. Damn. She got the snore of a grown man. I just worked 88 hours a week. My god, I knew I should have spent the night. I should have took my ass home. And you just gonna keep snoring like this though. I should punch you in your sleep. Oh god. I swear to God, man. I knew I should have took my ass home. I'm trying to be grown and shit. My kids, man. What time is it? Man, I'm finna take my ass home. Yeah, I ain't got time for this. Hey, shorty, you can have this bed. I don't even want to sleep here no more. All my life, I'm going to the crib.